So cold. Gruk needs a Christmas hat. Furry and warm.
Don't look at the mammoth. It is hibernating.
Relax. Just borrowing some hair. I am a pro barber. Sneaky, like a cat. Wow. Premium fur. So thick and warm. So tough. Cut, cut, cut! Come off! Oops. Earthquake? Is he awake? No, don't sneeze, please. No, don't sneeze, please. Landing! Am I alive? Why am I wet?
Oh my, you actually have a red hat.
Wow. Natural red dye. And hair gel. Sorry, Mr. Elephant. It will grow back.
Fashion Fall Winter 2025. High class. High class.
Why so many flies? Are they fans?
This hat smells a bit. If you like my new hat, scream UGA, UGA to chase the flies. And smash the magic rock. I need a shower.